Hi, this is Nisha here. Do you want to know the recipe of a successful CLM implementation? If yes, then here I am to know more about and to let you know the recipe for a successful CLM after its implementation. So, while shortlisting the right CLM is not easy, implementing it's more difficult. And for this reason, many companies are very much into trouble and utilize and underutilize their CLM or stop using. Fortunately, we have a solution for this, and this situation can be avoided with a proper planning and preparation. With the right strategy in mind, you can ensure the success of CLM implementation. Point 1. Establishing clear objective and goal for your implementation of CLM to measure its right rate of return. So, implementation is different. Every business has different business needs. So, accordingly, you should prioritize and have a proper document that refers to your pain point, needs, expectations clearly before the implementation. So, what you can do is you can clearly note down what is the must have and what is the good to have things in your document and give it to the vendor. You can then convert the list into an acceptance criteria before you go live. This would help not only the vendor to know more about your challenges and your pain point, but also it would give a clear vision for your successful implementation. Not only this, the company and the IT team will not only delay the implementation, but also will not hamper the momentum of the implementation. So try not to avoid and categorizing your requirement into the must have. So topic 2, transparent pricing, understanding the full cost implementation so that you would require the CLM implementation, including software costs, professional cost, and maintaining cost. One thing you should always keep in mind, there are changes in the implementation, and as a company know more about the system, the contract, the software, they would have the number of changes. So it is always better to have a fair idea. Whenever you go changes, there are costs to be implemented. You have tentative idea and estimate about what is an additional cost. CLM can also lead to an effective cost, and it would help you to get more automated your system. By automating manual process and reducing errors and delays, CLM improves operational and efficiency and your productivity as well. So, this is very important to know that you reduce your administrative costs. There is a fair, constant, and training from your vendor because it is very important. The number of users you add, the number of problems, the number of irrespective, the number of delays you would have for implementation. So, it is very important to know more about this support and the training. The training is required for every department, and hence it is a lengthy process, but it's always a fair idea to get trained rather than be cost effective. So, yes, here I am talking more about the CLM. If you want to learn more about the delays and the implementation and the recipe for the CLM, please contact us.